Alright, hello everybody. We are on the Interstate 405, approaching Jamboree Road, and we are heading to another Fast 5 store. Now this one's kind of special. This one is located in Irvine. This is Fast 5's first store that they ever opened. It's actually a converted full-service car wash. So I'm kind of excited for this because, you know, it's kind of nice to visit the OG. So I'll start up the camera once we're closer. Alright, GPS says we are about 3 minutes out.
Turn right.
Now, if there's one thing that I've seen a lot of here in my short time in Irvine, it's a lot of high-rise business buildings. It kind of seems like a corporate business kind of city. Whoa, what are you doing? That pedestrian walking right there kind of threw me off. Thought he was going to walk right into me. This one looks like it's connected to a Jiffy Lube right here. It's kind of a cool looking store. So you've got a member lane on the far left, and then this lane for the booth. You're going to talk to the attendant, and then the automated lane all the way on that you can see on the right here. What's weird is that in this store the bronze is $10, not $8, like it is in the Inland Empire stores. I guess that's a decision that they made here because it was best for this area.
So parking wash is the highest one?
Yes. Now we're doing the triple foam polish, or as Stacy would describe them, Cookie Monster.
Well, okay, like, tell me I'm wrong when I say it's monster colors.
I'm not saying you're wrong at all. Despite how old this side is, it's pretty cool. And well maintained, it looks like. Yeah. You can tell they try to cram as much into this space as they could have. Guess that one's not working. It's the panel for the Armor All tire shine that's clearly fallen off. Well, I gotta say, that was definitely... this seemed like a pretty thorough wash, just like all the other stores, and despite how old this side is, it definitely performs pretty well, I definitely say. They're definitely trying to keep up on it. Well, I guess it's time for me to get back on the road. So thank you so much for watching, and that is it.